Perceivant is an innovative 21st century learning platform that pulls in data analytics, mobile application, and an innovative learning management system kind of all under one roof.
We're trying to make the in-classroom experience better for the student and the teacher. There's some real challenges for the teacher to kind of leverage the technology that's available to them today.
New technology has to be really straightforward and easy to have a very short learning curve, or they just give up. We focus on both the instructor and the students, so making sure that we have a usable interface for the teachers and how they go about their course, but also on the same end design just as well for the students and how they complete their courseware and stepping through that.
That's what we really want to do. We just want to make that transition to the digital world easier for the student and the teacher and really meet the expectations of both parties, but at the end improve the outcome.